Unfortunately, Resource Monitor app sometimes stop working or encounters issues, making it difficult to track system performance and manage resource usage. And if you're having trouble getting the Resource Monitor tool working on your computer, check out the steps we have for you in this video. Now, when troubleshooting software-related issues, a computer restart can often resolve without resorting to complex solutions. Doing so refreshes all running programs and services, while also clearing out any temporary files that might be causing problems. Now, another possible fix for Resource Monitor not working on Windows is to change your DPI settings. So do it by opening Settings, select System, choose Display. Under the Scale and Layout section, click the drop-down menu next to Scale option, and choose the recommended value. Next up, run the SFC checker. All you have to do is open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press Enter, wait for the process to be completed, then restart your PC. And lastly, check for Windows Update. Do it by opening Settings, click Windows Update, click the Check for Updates option, and if there are any available updates, it will download and install them automatically. Now after the download completes, install the updates and restart your computer. And that's how to fix Resource Monitor app not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.